Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you've been dreaming of working in a cruise ship or even applying for a cruise ship job in 2025 or as of now, then this video is for you because I'm going to be taking you through the steps that you need to follow, some of the updates that are there as of now, and also some of the ships that are recruiting and also manning agencies and everything that you need to know before you start your application. So guys, if this is the kind of video that you're looking for, stay tuned if that's the one, and let's get into it. So guys, it has become really hard for one to get a job in a cruise ship. And it's not because that there are no jobs opening, but it's because a lot of people are applying for these jobs right now. Like everyone wants to join the ship. And it's a good thing because you get to experience like traveling. Someone told me you wake up to a new country every day, like you sleep and then wake up to a new country where you earn. Despite its disadvantage, I think the advantage outweigh the disadvantage, and that's why everyone wants to join the ship. And also it's also another easier way for you to go to the US and come back to your country. So guys, in 2025 things are a bit more hard, or you need to, things are a bit more difficult, if I have to say it, because when you apply for a cruise ship, you need to prove your experience. And it's not just proving by sending your recommendation letter. The background check that comes with it is very thorough. So the company, most companies, not all, but most company will have to call the hotels or even the institution that you've indicated in your cruise ship to confirm that fully you're working there. So if you're planning to apply for a cruise ship, try as much as you can to be very truthful. And at the same time as you're being truthful, remember there are some of the requirements that you need for them to select you, like having a 5-star, 3-star, or 4-star experience. Some of the cruise ship, they don't look so much onto it, but because a lot of people are applying for this job, most of the companies are preferring someone with better experience, and that is 5-star, because that's where that you can experience like the international standard of service. So guys, what you need to know is that if you're planning to apply for a cruise ship, first of all, you need to update your CV. Secondly, make sure you can defend your experience in case they ask you for proof that you've been working there. Be sure that in case they call the company, they know you're working there and stuff. I don't have to explain everything, but you know. Secondly, there are some common positions that are always there, especially in galley department, chefs, all that. Those positions are normally open. But you also need to be very strategic when it comes to application, because you don't just throw your CV everywhere, okay? You need to apply for these jobs when they are available and those specific jobs opening. Right now, most of the cruise ships are switching off like the links. Like they're making it, if they want people from specific region to apply for that position, they'll not make it open for other positions, for other region. And some people have tried using VPN, and for me, I don't know about you, but there's so many times I've tried using VPN to do the application. They will go through, but in most cases I get a regret, like they will not pick you if you're not from the region that they were targeting. So you have to also put that in mind. And for example, if you're in Qatar, I'm just giving you an example, and then someone who is in Kenya have seen an opening in for example, assistant server, and when you check on your website while you're in Qatar, the position is not open. Instead of you using a VPN, it's easier for you to ask someone who is already in Kenya to help you with the application, and vice versa. So guys, before we go so far into this video, I want to show you, I want to give you an example of companies that are recruiting currently. For example, Carnival Cruise Line is one of the ship that I always recommend first timer to apply for, because first of all, their background is not that thorough, and they are always ready to take entry level position. Like now, there are quite a number of entry level positions that will be opening soon in their website. Actually, they have been indicated, and I'll show you so that you can start checking every now and then when the positions are open. And if you've already decided on a position that you want to apply for, prepare your CV and your supporting documents so that anytime the position is open, you are able to send your application, because the openings are never there. They are never left there for a very long time. You'll find they have opened for roundly attendant for 2 days, and after 2 days the position is no longer there because maybe a lot of people are applying. And as I've told you, it's not only you who is applying for this position, it's everyone. The other thing you need to know, if the position is open, let's say like laundry attendant, remember there are so many people who are applying, so you have to make sure also your CV standouts. Okay, make sure you read through the job description requirements and let your CV have all those things that they are asking for, if not all, at least 70 or 80% of the requirements, so that it becomes easy for you being selected. So guys, let me show you some of the openings that will be open soon, that are entry level position on Carnival Cruise Line, and you should also keep an eye on it. I also leave the link for the Carnival Cruise Line website so that you guys can use it to check when the positions are open. So guys, this is the Carnival Cruise Line website, and I'm going to show you, like now they have like 48 position available. And let's scroll down because I want to show you something that you need to know, why you should be checking at this website every now and then. If you go, these are the available position. So, and then we have this one, the ones that they have written coming soon. Like laundry attendant is an entry level position, it's coming soon. All these positions are coming soon, so you need to keep checking your website, like Carnival Cruise website, to see when the position is open so that you can be able to apply. You can see there's assistant electrician, it's coming soon, and also you can click alert me when it's available, and then you fill in your email and a few stuff, and then when the position is open, automatically Carnival will send you an email informing you that the position is open. There is also mason. Someone asked me if you can work as a mason in the cruise ship. Yes, those positions are always there. So that's also another position that is coming up. But I wanted us to look at some of these positions that are entry level, or the one that require minimal experience or just training experience. There's also bar server, and I don't know why this position normally here most of the time, but it doesn't make it on Kenyan side. I don't know if it makes it to your side, but it's always coming soon. There's also aquatic attendant for those people who wants to work in the pool, like pool attendant. They qualify for this position. There's a floor supervisor trainee, there's housekeeping attendant, there's assistant server, there's assistant maid, assistant storekeeper. So all these positions will be open soon. So all you need to do is to keep checking, okay? And it also apply to other cruise ship website, which I'm going to leave on the description of this video, so that you guys can take your time, check it out, and see if there's a position that you qualify. And as I always say, apply for a position when it's open for application. There are also some manning agencies that you can use for your cruise ship application in 2025. For example, if you're from Kenya, there's Cozone. You can use Cozone for your application. You can use MAC. That is, they recruit for MSC Cruises and also Explorer's Journey. You can also use CS Manning Agency. They are recruiting. We also have one. I don't know. I don't remember the name, but I'll also leave the link for those manning agencies that you can use for job applications. Companies like Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, if you don't have legit experience, I would ask you not to put your effort in applying for those in those cruise ship, because they do thorough background check, and in case of anything you might find yourself in trouble. There are some things that you need to have for you to apply for a job in a cruise ship in 2025. A passport is a requirement. Before, you could apply for a job without a passport, and maybe after you get a job, you apply for your passport or look on ways to get your passport. But now, right now, in most application, you have to put your passport number, also put the expiring date, and without those details, how are you going to fill that application? So you need to have a passport. You also need to have an updated CV, and what else? You need to have a passport size photo, because some of these websites you will be required to upload that passport size photo. About the cover letter, it depends on the position that you're applying for and also the company that you're applying into. Some position they will require you to upload the cover letter and also recommendation letter. Some position they just require you to upload the CV. Some position requires you to upload what they call like training record, that is the recommendation letter. So guys, you have to have all these documents ready just in case they are required. Another company that you can apply for is Presence Cruises. They do background check, but they don't. It's not that much thorough, but at the same time, they take long to respond. Okay, it's not like Carnival Cruise Line, because with Carnival, whenever they post a position, just know it's they are recruiting it. But with Princess Cruise Line, you'll find they have a position open, and after you apply, you might wait up to 6 months before they respond to you, and sometimes they may not even respond. Though they have some of these positions that if you see them posting them, just know that they are recruiting. For example, youth staff. Whenever they have a youth staff position open and you apply for it, trust me, you're going to get a feedback. Also, those who are in the medical department, that is nurses, doctors, assistant nurses, those positions are always open and always on demand. For example, with Carnival Cruise Line, if you go there, they will tell you like right now we need nurses and paramedics ASAP. So if you have those skills, or you have experience, and also your licenses, you can apply for those positions. But know that their interviews are always very very deep, especially if you don't know how to use a computer. You'll have a very hard time, because their interviews are computer based. You have to do a lot of things in your computer, a lot of typing, and you have to be very skillful when it comes to that. So guys, those are some of the things that you need to know. If you have any question, you can leave it on the description of on the comment section of this video. I'm going to try my best to leave some of these links to these cruise ships that are hiring recently, and also some of the manning agency that you can use to apply for these cruise ships jobs. So guys, I hope this video is helpful, and if you have found it helpful, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and let me see you in the next one. Let me see you in the next one. So bye bye guys.